I got it back in the box today. I wanted to try the new Nashville Hot mozzarella sticks. I did microwave these when I got home because they weren't hot when I got back. I also got a jumbo jack. This one I technically got for free because I used my points. So the 4-piece of the mozzarella sticks, this was $4. Hopefully there's a cheese bowl. Honestly, these are really good. There's no cheese pull, but I think that was my fault because I microwaved it. The flavor is really good. It has a decent spice. I haven't tried the Nashville Hot mozzarella sticks from Chili's, so I don't know how they compare. But these are really yummy. I would get this again. Mm. They are kind of greasy. Cheers. Okay, this is my fault because I microwaved them too long. Let me know if you guys have tried the Nashville Hot mozzarella sticks from Jack in the Box or what your favorite thing to order from there is. See you guys later. Bye.